morning. Today's special item is being presented by Gauri Thaplia. Today marks the 62nd Foundation Day of the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, which was established on 15th December 1963. Kendriya Vidyalayas stand as premier co-educational central government schools in India, operating under the aegis of the Ministry of Education. With a global presence of over 1,290 schools, including 3 abroad in Kathmandu, Moscow and Tehran, KVS is one of the world's largest chain of schools, providing a common program of education to over 13 lakh students. The Kendriya Vidyalaya system is driven by a clear set of objectives designed to serve the nation and its people. The motto of Kendriya Vidyalaya is Tat Bhushan Apagriha, meaning, O Son, please uncover that truth, which reflects the institution's commitment to the enlightenment and pursuit of knowledge. Its core objectives are to meet the educational needs of the children of transferable central government employees, including defense and paramilitary personnel, by ensuring a uniform curriculum across all schools. To pursue excellence and set the pace in the field of school education, to initiate and promote the experimentation and innovations in education, in collaboration with central bodies like CBSE and NCERT, to develop the spirit of national integration and create a strong sense of Indianness among children from diverse backgrounds. The past year has been a period of transformative growth, especially in the alignment with the National Education Policy 2020. In the field of academic excellence, KVS consistently maintains a high passing percentage in CBSE board examinations, placing them among the top performing students in the all schools nationwide. KVS students such as Yuvraj won the World Champion title in mathematics at the Global League of Winners in Malaysia 2025 continues to bring international laurels to the country. In foundational literacy, we completed oral literacy proficiency tests for over 7.13 lakh students from classes 3rd to 8th using the Tara app, prioritizing foundational literacy and numeracy (FLN) under the Nippon White mission. In infrastructure and digital integration, 913 KVs have been upgraded as modern elementary schools, transforming them into exemplary institutions with enhanced infrastructure, digital resource hubs, and activity-based learning spaces. Over 19% of the KVs are now equipped with smart classrooms, AI-driven adaptive learning tools, and virtual labs, fully leveraging the comprehensive ICT framework. Introduction of Balavatika, preschool classes in many cases, reinforces the NH, 5, S2, S3 preschool structure, providing a strong foundation for children at a tender age. KVS not only empowers the students in digital work, but also provides self-realistic and co-curricular experience, which is seen by our sports recognition in the ongoing 54th National Sports Meet NSM 2025, highlighting KV's commitment to sports, with its certificates recognized as equivalent to state-level tournaments by SGFI. KV alumni have won medals at events like the Asian Games. Active participation in events like Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat (PBSB) and Kala Utsav promotes national integration and showcases student talent in performing and visual arts. Under environmental initiatives, launching the Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam campaign in June 2025 with a target to plant 10 crore saplings across schools, promoting environmental sustainability. KVS not only empowers its students but also its teachers. With KVS teachers being honored with the National Award for Teachers 2024 by the Honorable President of India for their outstanding contributions to the field of education. And mention Yogi, which has conducted a large-scale behavioral training program, training nearly 20,000 KVS employees to foster a culture of service-orientation and ethical conduct.
शिलानंदा का इतिहास लौट कर आएगा, भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय आएगा, भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय आएगा।
Today, the students of the primary section are here to present a skit on geography. Scene 1. Class 1 students are playing with some birds. Good morning, children. Today we talk about numbers. But ma'am, why are numbers so important? Yes, we see numbers everywhere, but I don't know why do we see them. And the children are number daddy. Hello, number daddy. I hope you are confused about numbers. Yes, we are. Let's tell you their magic. Let's try something. How many numbers are you? 1, 2, 3. If I add one more number, how many are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. If I take away 2 numbers, how many are there now? 1, 2, 2. Very good. See how smart you are. That you will see using numbers to understand the world. We will practice numbers every day. Literacy makes life easy and fun.
Mike.
Now, scene 2. Class 3 students are learning to share things equally. I want the whole monkey because I am very hungry. Oh, I want the whole monkey because I get bored. What about me? I get nothing. There is only one monkey and 4 children. No, I want. No, I want. Stop, stop. Why are you fighting? Men, we all are hungry and we all want this routine. Just that, let me introduce someone to solve your problem. Who, ma'am? There is she. She is Mary Fraction. Hello, kids. I am Mary Fraction. Ask to help me. Shall I help you? Yes, very well. If I divide the story into 2 halves, it is called a half. Thank you, Mary Fraction. Let's help them to divide things equally. Satyam, you take 1 half. Akshita, you take the other half. So what about us? We get nothing. No, will help you. So Satyam divides this roti into another half. And Akshita, you also divide this roti into another half. Half of a half is called a quarter. So Akshita, give up one part to Satyam and Satyam, you give one part to Akshay. Thank you, Mary section. Today we learned half and one fourth. Half or quarter we all can share. Massive, very special. Make sharing colors clear. Thank you.
1963, a quiet flame was lit. In 1963, a quiet flame was lit, where duty moved family, yet learning refused to quit. Across changing maps and shifting skies, a question rose in hopeful eyes. Can education stay steady, strong and true? Can education stay steady, strong and true when life itself keeps moving through? From defense camps where brave hearts stand, a vision grew for this vast land. Let children learn through homes may roam. Let children learn though homes may roam. Let every classroom feel like home. Let every classroom feel like home. In 65, that vision stood tall. In 1965, that vision stood tall, given a name, a purpose, a call. Kendriya Vidyalaya bound as one, a promise beneath one guiding sun. One curriculum, one academic thread. One curriculum, one academic thread, where CBSE paths are evenly spread. No north or south, no east or west. No north or south, no east or west, just equal learning at its best. Three language in gender rhyme, voice of culture, space and time. Hindi for heart, English to explore, Sanskrit or region to deepen the core. Through cities bright and villages small, through cities bright and villages small, through forests deep and borders tall, where terrain is tough and roads are few. Where terrain is tough and roads are few, the Kendriya Vidyalaya quietly grew. Beyond the seas its light shine far. Beyond the seas its light shine far, a symbol of India just as we are. A symbol of India as just we are. In Kathmandu's calm, in Moscow's cold. In Kathmandu's calm, in Moscow's cold. In Tehran's warm, the same values hold. Today, 1289 stands strong. 1289 means number of Kendriya Vidyalaya. Today, 1289 stands strong. Schools where hope and discipline belong. Across 25 regions, proud and wide, with G's training, with 5 G's training guide. 56,810. Who are they? 56,810 teachers and staff, devoted men and women, shaping the lives of each young soul, turning scattered dreams into a whole. Turning scattered dreams into a whole. 13 lakhs learner, minds alive, walking the path from doubt to sight, in simple uniform, equal and free, they learn what it means to be and believe. Here the teachers teach beyond the page. Here the teachers teach beyond the page. They steady youth, they soften age. They steady youth, they soften the age, with patience deep and values clear. They have courage and replace the fear. They have courage and replace the fear. From chalk dust days to screen that glow. From chalk dust days to screen that glow. Learning evolves, yet roots still grow. Smart classroom hum with features sound. Smart classrooms hum with features sound, where wisdom old and new are bound. When doors once closed and silence came, when doors were once closed and silence came, learning still lived unchanged in aim. Through digital paths and caring hands, knowledge reached across the land. Knowledge reached across the land. In sports and science, arts and service, in sports and science and arts and service, in NCC's discipline and purpose, in scout and guide and yoga's grace, character takes a lasting place. Aligned today with NEP's guidelines wall, aligned today with NEP's guidelines wall, learning now questions includes us all. Skills meet values, thought meets deed. Skills meet values, thought meets deed. Education answers tomorrow's needs, and those who once their corridors knew, and those once these corridors knew now serve the nation steady and true. About whom these lines have been dedicated? These lines have been dedicated to the alumni of the Kendriya Vidyalaya. So, and those who once these corridors knew now serve the nation steady and true. Doctors, soldiers, scholars and wise, carrying KV's values to the skies. They are the proof of living flame that roots of learning stay the same. Wherever they stand, wherever they go, the Kendriya Vidyalaya continues to grow. Tattvam Pushnam Pavlum we pray. Tattvam Pushnam Pavlum we pray. Remove ignorance, light the way. Remove ignorance, light the way. Let knowledge rise, the shadows cease. Let learning shape a world of peace. Now concluding lines. On this sacred day we bow and go. On this sacred day we bow and go to guard this legacy then and now. Make KVS rise, forever shine, a beacon of learning, strong supreme. With teachers committed, students true. With teachers committed, students true, and hearts that serve what's right to do. We promise today with faith and fire. We promise today with faith and fire to keep it at top and lift it higher. To keep it at top and lift it higher. Thank you very much.
संकल्प बनाया है
सुप्रभात बच्चों। परम आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय, विद्वान शिक्षक साथियों एवं प्यारे बच्चों, आज आपको केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन की स्थापना दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं।
Good morning to everyone. At the very outset, I wish you all a very happy KVS Foundation Day